To gain better understanding, let's compare now data warehouse versus databases. Data warehouse, like we already said, are mainly optimized for appropriate data access for query and other things. Meanwhile, databases are transactional and are optimized for both transaction processing and integrity assurance. And here we're talking about customer records, sales records. Data warehouses emphasize more on historical data, like we mentioned early on, as their main purpose is to support time series and trend analysis. In transactional databases, transaction is the mechanism of change to the database. You have the records are adding to the databases every second, every minute, in banks, in any supermarkets. By contrast, information in data warehouse is relatively rough grained, and data warehouses are regarded as non-real time. Meanwhile, databases are real time. The periodical, however, the periodical refresh policy is carefully chosen. Could be weekly, could be daily, could be monthly, and usually incremental. We're going to be talking about what kind of storage and backup we have. We have incremental as one type, and we have two other types. We will discuss them later on. Let us now talk about the characteristics of data warehouse. As you can see in the picture, you have data sources, and then you have the ETL, which is extract, transform, and load process. All these data will go through the ETL to the data warehouse, and then you have the visualization, reporting, business intelligence, and other features. So to summarize, structured data is organized into structured tables and formats and often transformed into a consistent scheme. Integration, so it integrates data from multiple sources like we see here in the picture. We have three sources, databases, flat files, and other sources. Optimization is very important for data warehouse. Here we're talking about designed for complex queries and reporting, often with features for data mining and business intelligence. Also very important for data warehousing is the historical data, typically stores large volume of historical data to support trend analysis and reporting over time. Now let's go deeper into databases. As you can see here on the right side, we have three different types of databases. All of them are structured tables, rows. So as a definition, databases is a structured collection of data that is stored and managed electronically, designed to handle large volume of data efficiently and provide a way to store, retrieve, and manipulate this data in a systematic and organized manner. They are typically managed by a database management system, DBMS, which provide the tool and interface for interacting with the data.